So this is my first time car camping in the Jeep, and I decided I was gonna do it around like 3 p.m. yesterday. So I'm dispersed camping. So I've never really dispersed camped before, so I literally just pulled off. I don't know if we're camping near like Peralta Road near the Superstitions, and it got down to like probably 48 degrees, and it's pretty okay. Someone's coming, so we'll see. Got my sleeping pad, sleeping bag, blanket. Look at that. Got this cool little lion's head thing. I don't know. Head of something, but it looks at you.